Today we're gonna show you our favorite places to go to when visiting Jacksonville. From Riverside to San Marco to the Southside, we have 6 of our favorite spots to go to.
There's so many more. We can't wait to show you them all, but for today we're just gonna do 6 of them. What do we order? Cinnamon roll?
Cinnamon roll, which everybody talks highly of.
I got the Homer donut because that looks like it's from a movie. I don't know which one, but
From The Simpsons.
From The Simpsons.
The Homer. And then while we have 6 places to go to, she got a little excited and we got a lemon pound cake as well too. So that'll be for later on.
You also said, yeah, I want that. Okay, and this is a vegetarian sauce. It just got white beans.
So excited about this. All right, cinnamon roll.
Biscuit.
But this is actually really good.
This donut is incredible. I'm happy with this. This is really good. The Sweet Theory is one of Jacksonville's most loved local bakeries, established in 2012. It's been on the map for a minute now. We're just not trying it, but this is an incredible first stop.
I'm telling you, every time I go on social media to look for the best cinnamon rolls, this one always pops up. So, and definitely doesn't disappoint.
It is egg-free, it's dairy-free, and it's peanut-free.
This is so good. And I like that it's not like too sweet. It's perfect.
This is cool.
And it tastes
Completely
so good.
vegan-free.
It's vegan. And I think they have some gluten-free options too.
That makes this healthy.
We're gonna open that up, but they said that was for me for later.
Well, I also want to showcase the pound cake. They have a lot of different flavors of pound cake. They had a carrot cake one, strawberry one. We got the lemon pound cake. Oh,
It's falling
look at that pound
apart.
cake.
Can you see it?
no, 8 hours. Let me know your thoughts. It looks really good. Yeah?
It's really good. Full. What was your favorite thing to eat that you like?
I had the lemon cake. I thought I was gonna enjoy the cinnamon roll, and honestly, for what's not in the cinnamon roll, in terms of like eggs, gluten, and all this other stuff, that was an incredible cinnamon roll. But that lemon cake, how about yours?
I wish the cinnamon roll was warmer and a little bit more icing, but overall it was really good. I think my favorite thing was probably the Homer.
Homer donut, all right.
So
Yeah,
good.
that's the thing I got.
I'm actually going with the cinnamon roll. But they have so many options there that we need to come back.
We're already full, but on to the next. We are here at the Bearded Pig right now and drove straight through, and this is your favorite,
I
right?
can't wait. It's so good. I can't wait to show you my favorite things in here.
I love barbecue. The owner here, Chad, good friend of mine as well too. This place, as you can see, the doors opened up at 11 o'clock. There was already a line out the door for people getting in. So that tells you it's a good spot. So let's go inside and check it out. All right.
Jalapeno poppers to start.
Are they sweet? Are they savory?
Sweet and savory. Very good.
We give you guys just a little sample platter, full spare rib, as opposed to a lot of places will do baby backs. No difference really, size. I think they're amazing.
All right, guys, so we are here inside Bearded Pig having a feast of sampling of different things that Chad recommends. So this is the owner, Chad.
Thank you. Yeah, Chad, we just had 10 years here at the Bearded Pig, and we kind of call ourselves craft or scratch the table barbecue. Really kind of what separates us.
Good?
We're gonna try this. What is
This was really good.
Mixed. It has the fatty and the lean part, Chad.
That's delicious. That's really good with the sweet sauce.
I normally don't eat anything spicy.
Right? Not spicy.
Nope.
Right. Here, Rob.
The ribs need no sauce. All right, guys, so we just made it to Mambos Cuban Cafe, but before we walk in there, let's talk about the Bearded Pig. What was your final recommendation? What do you think?
I really liked the 4 beans. That was really good. It was sweet, it was savory, it was really good.
What about you?
Jalapeno peppers all the way. Those things were so good. The poppers with the bacon, the cheese.
I like the fact that they weren't too spicy at all. Mine was not spicy at all, so it was good because I don't eat spicy food.
Yeah.
We got a few more places to go. We gotta get some coffee in us too.
Okay, well, let's
slow
go.
it down.
Let's go check it out. Today what we're doing is we brought a little sampler of different things to try. One of my favorite dishes is the lechon asado right here. Roasted pork with mojito sauce and sauteed onions, delicious. The chicharrón de pollo, and of course you can't come to Mambos without trying a Cuban sandwich. We have a guest as well too. Okay, so welcome to Anna. All right, your first Mambos experience?
First official.
Awesome. All right, so we do have coffee and dessert coming at the end.
So what's the difference between your two?
So mine has meat, his has guava and cheese. You're gonna split half.
We've been
Some churrasco, since you are gluten-free. One of my favorite steaks here. We have a chimichurri sauce right here. And a Cuban sandwich right there. Alright guys, we just are at the Beast Pizza. We are stuffed. It was delicious. Diana, what'd you think of the wings?
10-10. 10-10 on the wings.
Delicious. Eli, the wings?
the pizza was my favorite.
One of the best spots. If you're in Jacksonville visiting, there's a Beast Pizza almost in every corner. Make it a point to check them out because they are literally the best pizzas in town. Alright guys, we are here at the block. I'm here with my good friend Daniel and Audrey. And Daniel, talk to us about the block.
Yeah, so the block is a outdoor food hall concept that we opened a little over a month ago. March 20th, I think, was the opening date. So it's kind of a place for everybody in the community to come and hang out and gather and get together with their family and friends.
We are here at the block. We just had some Chancho King yuca bread bites, whatever they're called. Delicious. Alright. These are plantain chips, mariquitas. And here we have from the Hungry Owl. I can't even say it right. Hungry Owl. It's a tongue twister. No, you say it. You say it. All right, and here we have lumpias from the Hungry Owl with a sweet Thai chili sauce and a Chicago dog from
Slinging Wieners.
Huge, loaded too. So they sell a bucket of these, 40 of these in a bucket.
I could eat all 40.
Right now.
Really good. Oh yeah.
We're here at the block, and this is Chasen with Chancho King. And talk to us about your story. You've recently been nominated as Best Chef in the South.
Yeah, my wife and I, Maria, we were nominated for Best Chef South for all the James Beard Award. It's been a quiet, crazy, wild ride. We actually didn't know this was coming. It surprised us, and basically ever since that day, it's been off the ground.
There we made us a few delicacies right in front of us, and we also have a special guest, our second special guest, Aiden. Aiden, wave with the camera real quick so they know who you are. Thank you, Aiden. Diana, we're all here having a good time. So, what do you have, Diana?
The popcorn milkshake made with popcorn and a little wink of salty caramel.
Good. And I have the oil milkshake with Oreos and one more Oreo on top.
And here we have some gelato. We have a strawberry shortcake. We have a caramel salted ice cream, and then we have a lotus, which he said this is probably the best one.
Yes.
And then we have a pistachio, but on top of that, he's making us some crepes and some waffles as well too. So we are going to feast and indulge today and roll out of here because this is our last stop, but we made this the last stop on purpose because a little sweet treat to cap off the day. All right guys, so we've done a lot today. We've hit up 6 different spots. Clearly there are a lot more to go to Jacksonville. This is probably video number 1 of like 10 that we need to make. See you guys in the next video because there's so many good restaurants here in Jacksonville. But anybody visiting us with Ironman, just know that you have options. We started off today in Riverside in San Marco. You dropped your Oreo cookie, by the way. We caught that on camera.
Oh, that's really good.
Pretty good?